Hey everybody, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about music. Now I know I've mentioned this once before, a couple years ago, but you need to think about, putting in your stores of things to have for emergency stuff, different types of music. Whether it's an old-fashioned cassette player with some different types of music on it, to whatever you need music for, but it lifts the spirits. But so I'm thinking more along the lines for teenagers and kids, especially little kids. You could have music for sing-alongs and different things that gets them to interact and develop a little bit better. Music is a great source to do that. And if you have cassettes, DVDs, get an old Walkman, whatever it is, get several ways of playing music and have the music on several different formats. Also, if you have instruments, so much the better. Make sure you get plenty of sheet music for those that are going to use those instruments to be able to do so without getting bored. One of the things too, you can also get blank sheet music. So if someone decides to want to write their own song, they have some sheet music to work with. All right? So stay happy, stay safe, keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month, like writing music or playing music. And grow some food. Grow some good, healthy food for you and your family.